Welcome back to Safar Outfitters. We're gonna go on a camping adventure today. We're gonna fly down to Silver Glen and we're gonna hang a hammock from the wing and camp out overnight. But first, we're gonna fly in the Renegades, see if we can catch some live music, and it's gonna be a good time. So tag along, let's go.
Let's go! Let's go!
All right, as I mentioned, we're gonna go on a little camping adventure, fly down to the Silver Glen. I got my cooler, we got a couple blankets, backpack, change of clothes, a couple towels. We got hammocks in the plane already. So at Silver Glen, there's not anywhere to beach up. So I've got some push poles you push in the ground, you tie the plane up. I'll be hanging the hammock up over top of water. And so, yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Follow along. We're all packed up, ready to go. So let's do it. All right, we just made it to Renegades. I hear a live band, I believe. So we're gonna go check it out before we set up camp. See you in a bit. Yeah, 800 pounds is all fabric. So, well, I mean, I say it's all fabric. The frame is steel. A lot of the wings and stuff like that are aluminum. It's wrapped in fabric. I mean, it's aluminum cowlings, aluminum floats and stuff like that. But yeah, it's like wild to think about 800 pounds, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, So we went to the Silver Glen, and the goal was to sleep with a hammock. But the problem is I forgot to pack the hammock. We got hammocks in the plane already. We got hammocks in the plane already. We got hammocks in the plane already. So we're gonna see if anybody's got a hammock. If not, my buddy Timmy's got this houseboat over here. He's got some chairs on top. I could sleep up there. I might try to jerry rig a chair right here and sleep here. TBD. We'll be back here soon. Update. My man over here in the houseboat, he had a hammock. We're set up. We're gonna rig this underneath the wing there. Tie it inside to the frame here. Somewhere up in there. He even gave me a little light. You know, this is what I love about river people. Everybody's willing to help. So here we are. Campsite for tonight. We're set up. Hopefully a gator doesn't think that I'm hanging meat. All right, update. Hammock set up. Got our cooler ready to go. We got our blankets, extra equipment, and our fancy light. And I asked the guy, how do you turn it off? He said, you just throw a rag over it. I guess that'll do. So, here we are. Camp is set up. Got a couple of neighbors out there. Timmy. These guys over here. All right. It's about 9 o'clock at night. Hadn't made it to the hammock yet. Got into some dry clothes. We got our cooler. Our backpack set up. Anchored down. We got the external charger there. I mean, you can't beat this. How great is this? In the middle of Silver Glen. Just plain hammock camping. All right, good morning from the Silver Glen. What a beautiful night on the water. The hammock worked great, it didn't break. I wasn't hanging meat for a gator. Getting ready to start packing things up and head back to the house. But first I need to make some coffee. That's what we're gonna do. Make some coffee, then we'll pack things up, then we'll head back to the house. Hey, I appreciate the hammock again, man. You're a lifesaver. Clear prop. made it back to the house. I mean, woke up at Silver Glen. It doesn't get much better than that. Was able to find a hammock, got some good sleep, got some coffee before I got out of there. It was a beautiful flight out, no wind. I mean, it's just peaceful as can be. So just want to thank you for following along. If you haven't subscribed to our page yet, please subscribe, like, share. We've got a lot more adventures we want to share with you. I'm gonna get the plane parked back in its parking spot, but you know, again, just want to thank you, and until next time, get outside and go on an adventure.